Hi, my name is Nick Saccatelli. I've been with Land Rover of Naperville for going on 3.5 years now. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Certified Pre-Owned program, what it takes for the Land Rovers to become a certified pre-owned vehicle, and what the warranty benefits are for you, the consumer. In order for our Land Rovers to become a certified vehicle, they must be inspected by one of our master technicians. Our master technicians will do a 165 multi-point inspection where they check under the hood, the chassis, the body, and inside the vehicle to make sure the car is in as much pristine condition as possible. When buying a Land Rover approved certified pre-owned vehicle, you are getting 1 year limited warranty with unlimited miles. The Land Rover will be reconditioned with Land Rover genuine parts. You will have no warranty deductible, and the limited warranty is transferable to a subsequent private party owner. The 24-hour roadside assistance is available nationwide. The benefit to the consumer for purchasing a Land Rover certified pre-owned vehicle is you're getting a vehicle that has been reconditioned to as pristine condition as possible without the price of the new car vehicle. Visit our website at landroverofnaperville.com or come in and see myself, Nick Saccatelli, or one of my colleagues, and we'll help you get into your next Land Rover vehicle.
Taking care of you every day, that's the path.